Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your speaker Harman Kardon. And firstly, make sure that your microphone is not mute, so you can check it right here. If you have this red background, it means that your microphone is mute, so just slide it. And after that, to call it, you should say or "Hey Google" or "OK Google." And yeah, so now it answered to me, but you need to use this command to activate it, and then you can ask for something. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.